Welcome back to the Bear Cave Watch Reviews. This is Papa Bear, and today I have not one, but two boxes. These are watches that I purchased from an online auction place, and just got them in the mail, so I thought I'd do a quick video doing opening of them. So let me just get that really quick. Before I show you what's in here, customary wrist check, the vintage Hamilton Kelly quartz, which I love. So let's see, in here we've got something with more packaging. Now one of these I know is going to be a vintage piece, and one of these is going to be a vintage looking piece that I purchased specifically because I enjoy the look, and I want to I know the band that it's on. I'm going to change it, and I'm going to put it on something more my style and go from there. So let's just take this out of here. This is the first one, and this is going to be a Fossil, and as you can tell, it's got that old vintage look that I really like. It's on this really big band that I don't care for at all, but that's okay because that's going to be going away. It needs a battery. I know that. I knew it when I purchased it. I got this for an incredible deal. I know that Fossil is a fashion watch, and I've spoken about that before. And at the same time, I've said this 100 times, and I'll keep saying it. If you like a watch and it makes you happy, then buy it. This watch in particular, I really like the styling, and I'm going to throw it on a different bracelet, and it's going to look awesome anyway. So it's got a few scratches, but that's okay. It gives it a little look wear. So that one is going to be on the wrist eventually. And the next one is in this big package, and I'm just going to open it real quick. I'm really grateful that it's in this big packaging because I know what it is. So let's just take a look. Aha! I love when they do that. They surprise you with more packaging. So let's go ahead and open this. Aha! More packaging. So neither of these two pieces came with original boxes or anything, but this is, oh wow, this is very pretty. Came with a bow, and this is a Hamilton quartz, Swiss quartz, very thin, very pretty. Let's see, I'll take this bow off real quick. And it says, "Thank you." And I say, "You're welcome." From the Posh Pony. Oh, okay, cool. So yeah, I got this, and let's take a look. Wow, really thin, small, but I think you guys know that I love Hamilton watches, and this is just one that I had to have, so pretty excited about it. And yeah, so those are the two watches that I got this week. One is a vintage watch, and one is a vintage looking watch that I'm going to dress up and wear on occasion. So that's it. I'll give you all the specs and everything when I do full reviews on these in a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.